Good morning, grade 9. Today we will discuss about the types of polynomials. So we can categorize according to two types of polynomial, according to terms and according to degree. So let's see about according to terms. First type is monomial, second type is binomial, and the third type is trinomial. What about monomial, binomial and trinomial? Monomial is a polynomial in which only a single term lie. एक ऐसा polynomial है जिसमें सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक single term lie करती है, उसको हम monomial कहते हैं. Binomial. In binomial, there are two terms which are lying in a polynomial. कोई भी एक polynomial में अगर दो terms lie कर रही है तो वो कहलाता है binomial polynomial. And what about trinomial? अगर monomial 1 है, binomial 2 है, that means trinomial will be having 3 terms. तो जहाँ पर 3 terms lie करेगी, suppose x square plus 2x plus 5. So x square is the first term, 2 plus 2x is the second term, and plus 5 is the third term. So in this way we can say that trinomial, binomial and monomial are the types of polynomials according to terms. What about according to degree? Degree, as we discussed yesterday, degree of the polynomial, the highest power of the variable in a polynomial of one variable is called the degree of the polynomial. So we have to see the exponent, the highest power. According to the highest power, we can say that which type of polynomial will be there. So the first one is the linear polynomial. Linear polynomial means where the degree should be 1. अगर यहाँ पर x की डिग्री 1 है, 2x, x के ऊपर कुछ नहीं है, पावर में 1 कहलाएगा वो. तो 2x plus 1 means 2x plus 1 is a linear polynomial. What about the 2? If the degree is 2, highest power is 2. Highest power, this is x to the power 1, this is x to the power 2. So we have to see only highest power, that means degree. So if degree is 2, we can call it quadratic polynomial. What about 3? Cubic polynomial. Cube means 3. We use cube for 3. तो क्यूबिक पोलिनोमियल यहाँ यूज़ करेंगे हम 4x to the power 3 minus 6x square plus 2x minus 1. Fourth one is biquadratic polynomial, where the degree is 4, x to the power 4 plus 3x square cube minus 6x square plus 5x plus 9. So highest power जो है वो यहाँ पे 4 है. That means biquadratic कहेंगे हम उसको, biquadratic polynomial. So we are learning this according to degree, 4 types of polynomial, and according to terms, 3 types. And what about 4 terms are there? If there will be 4 terms, then polynomial will be there. We can call them polynomials. Although for single term also we can call it polynomial, but for binomial terms means 2 terms also we can call it polynomial. But these are the types of the polynomial. Polynomial is denoted by p of x or q, p of y, or p of x, q of x, r of y, s of u. In this way we can denote the polynomial. So we have taken 4 examples here. The first one is trinomial, 2x square plus 5x minus 3, or we can say that quadratic polynomial because the degree is 2. So we can represent like this, p of x. Why we are writing x here? Because the variable is x. So whatever the variable will be there in the expression, we have to write here. Like 3 of y. So here we are using y as the variable. S of u, so u is the variable here. So we can denote like this, p of x, q of x, r of y, s of u, like this, of any polynomial. Zero polynomial is what? A zero polynomial is a polynomial of the form p of x equals to 0, where all coefficient of the polynomial are equal to 0. किसी भी एक्सप्रेशन में अगर पोलिनोमियल्स के कोएफिशिएंट्स अगर ज़ीरो होते हैं तो वो पोलिनोमियल ज़ीरो पोलिनोमियल कहलाता है. या फिर उसको सॉल्व करने पर, या फिर जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल ये एक एक्सप्रेशन लेते हैं अपन, इसमें अगर x की वैल्यू रखने पर हम पूरा एक्सप्रेशन अगर 0 आता है तो p of x विल बी 0. तो p of x विल बी 0, दैट मीन्स वो ज़ीरो पोलिनोमियल कहलाएगा. एग्जाम्पल भी हमने लिया यहाँ पर 0x to the power 2 plus 0x plus 0. या कोएफिशिएंट सारे 0 लिए, तो आप जब इनको सॉल्व करोगे एक्चुअली तो आंसर 0 ही आना है. So we can call it zero polynomial. So thank you so much for today's topic.